Hi everyone, in this video we will learn how to flush custom ROM in Samsung phones. My device is Samsung Tab A7 Wi-Fi. Let's start. At first, search Lineage OS for your device model. Make sure it is exactly for your mobile model. Now open the official link of Lineage OS for your device model. Download the latest released custom ROM and supporting files, and move it to a separate folder. Now go to that folder and click on address bar and write cmd and hit enter. Command prompt will pop. Write the exact command displayed on screen or copy it from description below and hit enter. It will convert vbmeta.img file into .tar file. Now download and open Odin tool. Now make sure that OEM and USB debugging is turned on. If you don't know how to unlock bootloader, check the video in my channel. Now restart your phone into download mode. Restart your phone and plug in USB cable. Press and hold volume down and power button simultaneously. Keep holding until it restart into download mode. Now press volume up key once to continue to download mode. Now go to the computer screen and load vbmeta.tar file into AP in Odin tool. Click Start to flush vbmeta. Mobile will restart. Press and hold volume down and power button to again boot it into download mode. Now open previously opened command prompt and write the code displayed on screen and hit enter. Again open Odin and load recovery.tar file into AP in Odin. Then click on option menu and unchecked auto reboot option and click on start. Now press and hold power plus volume up plus volume down button. When light goes off, then press and hold volume up and power button to restart into recovery mode. Copy the OS file into Platform Tool folder. If you don't know about Platform Tool, Google it or comment it below. Paste it. Lineage OS don't have Google Apps, so we have to additionally download it. Search for Lineage apps. Scroll down and click on Download button. Click on Release for stable version. Select the Android version, according to your custom ROM version. Now click on Latest One. Now download any of them, as your requirement. I will download Core 1, because it is smaller file and only install Play Store. Copy the file into Platform Tool folder. Now click on Address Bar on Platform folder, and write CMD and hit Enter. It will open Command Prompt in Platform Tool folder. Now factory reset all three partition. Then click on Apply Update, then apply from ADB. You can also update from SD card. Now in Command Prompt, write ADB devices and hit Enter. Here we can see it is connected successfully. Write the sideload command displayed on screen. Make the file name is exactly the same. And hit Enter. The Lineage OS will load on phone in few seconds. Now again click on Apply Update, then apply from ADB. This time it is for GApps. Write ADB sideload. An exact file name, and hit Enter. Now click Yes to continue. Now both Lineage OS and GApps are successfully loaded. Click on System Reboot now. And the phone will restart. It will take some time for the first time. Set up the phone. And the phone is ready to use in Lineage OS. If you have any question, comment it below.